Microsoft 365 Copilot is a game changer for productivity. Imagine having an AI assistant that not only understands your needs, but also transforms how you work. The secret? It all starts with your prompts. Think of your prompt as the steering wheel guiding Copilot's creativity. A clear, detailed prompt can unlock tailored responses that truly meet your expectations. For instance, instead of saying, "Summarize the report," try, "Summarize the Q3 financial report, focusing on revenue growth." This clarity helps Copilot deliver exactly what you need. Adding context is crucial too. When drafting an email, include key project details to ensure relevance. And don't forget to define your expectations. If you want a social media strategy, specify whether you need a brief list or a full campaign concept. By refining your prompts, you'll find that Copilot becomes a powerful collaborator, enhancing your productivity and creativity. So start experimenting with your prompts and watch your efficiency soar.